Introducing the Pavilion Thin-Line Subwoofer. For powerful bass in any space. This sleek, stylish 8-inch subwoofer is incredibly compact, whether mounted indoors or outdoors. It features our unique concentric tube suspension design, enabling greater excursion and amazing bass performance. And with its dogleg mounting system, you can install the Pavilion subwoofer wherever you need it most, including in a standard 2x4 stud bay. With its true infinite-baffle design, Pavilion doesn't require a dedicated enclosure. And with paintable square and round grille options, you can seamlessly integrate this subwoofer with your home's aesthetic. Get powerful bass in any space with the Pavilion Thin-Line Subwoofer.